This is how you are going to get everything that you want and everything that you deserve. And it is by upgrading your self concept. So without further fucking ado, let's dive deep into how you're going to use the law of assumption to literally get everything that you want beautiful, to get everything you want, to manifest that most orgasmic dream life ever that your soul came here to experience. And if you end up liking this video, I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a like, if you maybe subscribed, screenshot this video and share it to your Instagram story and tag me. Let's spread the word. Let's spread all of this good energy. Get that good energy back to you times 10. Help your favorite creator out if you truly like this. And let me know down below what you guys need help on when it comes to manifesting your dreams. I need to keep pumping out these videos that are going to help you. If you want to work with me, mindset coaching and tarot readings that are designed to help you manifest are down below. But let's get into this, okay? You are going to get everything that you want and everything that you deserve by upgrading your self-concept. A self-concept that unfortunately is normalized today looks like this. I'm so fat, I'm so broke, I'm so ugly, I'm so useless, life sucks, life is hard, fuck this and fuck that, and I'm always overlooked, I'm ignored, I'm never seen, I'm nothing special. That is how your normal motherfucking beautiful soul is speaking and thinking throughout their day in this day that we live in. And that is absolutely crazy because that is repelling you further and further and further from your hunger prints, from your creative dreams, from your most orgasmic dream life. See, it is your subconscious's job to show you evidence of what you keep telling yourself, what you keep repeating. The subconscious mind is not this big, crazy ghoul, this big, crazy shadow man, this big, crazy monster that's hiding in your closet that is trying to keep you stuck from manifesting your dreams. Your subconscious mind is not this evil genie. Your subconscious mind is just simply saying yes to what you keep telling it. So change the story. But a lot of people are so committed to the struggle bus, to the struggle life. A lot of people are so loyal to the life where they just have to be miserable every single day. Like, that is not the way that you should be living. What do I always say in all of my videos and all of my live streams and all of my posts? That something created your beautiful magical ass. You are a spiritual being living a human experience. You are so much more than just working and paying bills. Are you kidding me? You're a creative soul. You are made up of magic. You are made up of the stars. You are made up of stardust and the planets and the Milky Ways and the heavens and everything, bro. Your existence is straight up a miracle. So I'm going to need you to lock in and understand that you deserve to live a magical life. You deserve good things, period. I need you to understand that you deserve good things. This is how you raise your self-concept. You start, number one, being aware of the old story that you are telling yourself. Okay, how have you been currently operating? And then once you are aware, you'll be able to kind of change it, to flip the script, to listen more to that iconic voice. So instead of telling yourself that you're untalented, you're fucking fat, you're this and that, start telling yourself every single moment that you're beautiful, that you're smart, that you're intellectual, that of course you deserve good things. You always deserve good things. You are the best for every opportunity. And the more that you repeat this new way of thinking, okay, that is when the subconscious mind will catch up and give you evidence based off of the new identity, based off of the new story, based off of these new self-concept. Okay, you are not going to have the courage to take embodied action to go on those auditions, to start manifesting your audience by posting on a line. You're not going to feel comfortable in booking those studio times if you keep telling yourself that you're untalented, you're nothing special, you're always overlooked. Of course not. Of course, the only thing that you're going to feel comfortable doing is bed rotting and wasting your days living some other man's dream and working for somebody else and never having time to enjoy your life. And then, of course, you just grow miserable and miserable and miserable as the days go on, as life goes on, confirming what you feel like is truth, that your soul came here to live a mediocre life, but that literally couldn't be further from the truth. You beautiful ass icon. Let me remind you, if you're enjoying this, if it's inspiring you, go ahead and like that video. Once you start upgrading your self-concept, fuck yes, everyone treats me with respect. I'm surrounded by love and light 24/7. Only good things happen to me. Whenever someone speaks my name, thinks my name, sends me energy, good or bad, it gets transmuted and makes me more rich, more beautiful, more famous, more iconic. Like when you start literally feel like only making an effort to only think in an empowering way and in an empowering story, you will start to see people show up with more respect. You will start to attract miracles, blessings, things that you've always wanted to manifest, things you didn't even know you wanted to manifest, being at the right place at the right time. That is how you will also attract the love of your life. Do you think that you are going to attract a higher vibrational partner, someone different than all of your exes that broke your heart, thinking that exact same way, thinking I'm useless, no one loves me, everybody leaves? And then when you attract the same type of person, the person that leaves, the person that cheats, the person that ghosts, you're kind of looking up at the sky thinking that you're motherfucking cursed, when the only thing is cursed is your mind, and you have the power to literally change your mind, but nobody wants to do that. Why? Because we live in an age of instant gratification. Well, I'm sorry, until you want better for yourself and until you change your mind, you are not going to be attracting anything different. Let me remind you, you deserve the best of the best. But you got to start telling yourself that, because you got to start changing it. But no one can do it. No one can force it. You have to give that to yourself. And it starts with acceptance. And then it starts with the understanding that, you know what? I want a different way of living. I want to manifest different. I want to be in love. I want to be seen. I want to be a full-time creative. I want to make the most and the best out of this life. So what do I have to lose? Let me just focus on thinking different. It is that simple. And you can do it because you're already thinking throughout the day just in the negative loop. So fucking stop yourself. You need to want more for yourself. So stop yourself. You are the only one that can do this. You are the only one that can make the change and say, you know what? I'm flipping the thought. I'm actually so beautiful. I'm so talented. I'm so courageous. Get specific. All my videos go viral and make me clients. All my videos go viral and make me millions. Every social media platform is paying me motherfucking millions. I'm the best of the best. People crave my videos. People crave my personality. Like, you have to be specific. This is your world. This is your universe. Okay? It gets to be as magical and as abundant and as whimsical and as beautiful as you want it to be. It's that simple. Raise your self-concept, flip your self-concept, stop always expecting the worst, stop always pouring your worth into other people, and pour it into yourself and expect the best every single day. Jump around giddy, 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 like a little fucking schoolgirl, feeling good, because any moment can be the moment that changes your life. We are now only focusing on the fact that the best gets to happen every single day, not the worst, not the rejection, not the heartbreak, not the fat. The best of the best always comes my way at every given moment. That is now how you're identifying everything works out for you. Everything is rigged in your favor. The better that your life gets, the better that your life gets. You get hotter, wealthier, richer, healthier every single day. You age in reverse. Literally, you have all the best love opportunities in the world. You have all the best career opportunities in the world. You are the best at everything that you choose to do. Claim it down below, and I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow with a brand new video.